today's video, I'm going to replace my wheel edge again. And this one is a narrow wedge which is USA design with LEDs, yellow reflector LED and the red one. So why I'm going to change back to the narrow one? Because follow my videos, I will show you why I want to change it back. As we find, no matter the original Genius wheel edge or the aftermarket ones, all the wheel edge, the wide one coming with this problem, the drop off problem if you don't use a strong tab or use a glass screw. So as the summer day, the temperature getting hotter and hotter, this screw is almost draw off and the wheel edge looks very ugly. So I think change it back to the narrow one will make the car looks more gallant and much more fitment. So follow my videos and going to compare how do you like the USA type or you like the white type. Don't be forget to tell me on the comments. Thank you very much for your watching today and don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next week. Bye bye.